Can you tell us a little bit about your time as a writer's PA? Did you learn a lot doing that?
Writer's PA is fantastic because it is just like a, or at least depending on the room, but being an assistant in the TV writing world is as probably better than any, no offense to anyone who went into higher education, but MFA program or anything like that, because you just have direct access to people being creative, and you're not getting paid a lot of money, but you're getting paid to do it, as opposed to going into debt to do it.
Sure.
So you're not only networking with writers, you're there every day, you're there for 8 to 10 hours a day, and whether you're if you're a writer's assistant, you literally have to take notes on everything that's being said. So you have to intake and comprehend every single pitch that's creative. So you can really just learn how to pitch, learn what works, what doesn't, all that kind of stuff. As a writer's PA, you're less in the room and you're more just getting lunches and stuff for writers. But even then, you're getting in and out. You get to talk to writers. You get to ask them ideas. You get to sit. It depends whether you're allowed to sit in on the room. I sat in on the room.
When you were as the writer's PA?
When I was a writer's PA, yeah. So basically, when I wasn't out getting lunches, I had a seat right there, and I would listen the entire time. And that was taught me everything I know about being a writer.